This guy's seriously recording a bird? You never seen a little birdie before?
Blackbird. Yeah, he is seriously watching Sean like, don't look now, Sean.
I'm recording it drink. You were talking about how weird it is the way they drink? And I'm recording it.
This is really funny the way the guy's staring at you with his hand propped up against his cheek. I just wonder how hard it is for Sean to not look up at him. Because you know.
Well, if it wasn't for me being so intrigued by the way this thing drinks, I would look over at him.
Alright, hold on. Let me see the next directions. Alright, so 60 miles.
That is a cool little bird.
Yeah, isn't Maggie a blackbird? On Steve and Maggie?
I think he's chilling there because he's thinking I'm going to feed him. I'm sorry, buddy. I actually don't have anything for you. Huh? No, the bird. I think the bird's like hanging out hoping that it was going to get a snack or something.